Come on a picnic with me and my friends. Sharing is caring. The more, the merrier. Eating vegan burger is so much better with friends. Cheers!